Diba? Kami may mga mortgages. Yung bahay ni Bianan, hindi pa tapos yung mortgage. So ngayon, tinatawagan kami ng, pinapadalhan kami ng sulat.
There you go, girl, missed. Misty, missed, you're a good girl.
Good morning, Philippines!
I finished the other one in the container. The bag, I said there's one left, so I just give it to him. Huh? Roxy?
Yeah.
Oh, she doesn't like the bone. Huh? Hi guys, this is our breakfast guys. The diet begin. Like controlling myself with rice and bread because I like bread so much. I eat a lot of bread. Good morning everything. Yes, nakapajama pa rin tayo. So yan, this is the thing. Usually guys, I like bread, Hawaiian or croissant. Before I only ate 2, and then I ate 3, and then I eat 4, and then 5, and then I think 6 because I always, Habs is my reason to eat more, like, oh, Habs is eating with me. But no, it's my addiction. Oh, bread. And then, sometimes I don't eat lunch, I eat bread.
Come here, Rock.
So, yun, cereal tayo. And then, itong almond breeze na almond milk, it's unsweetened, original. Wala siyang sugar, as in, walang sugar. At ito namang cereal na ito is, hindi siya ma-sugar. Ang ma-sugar lang dito is yung marshmallow. Yun yung sugar niya. So, depende na sa akin kung kainin ko siya or hindi. Today is a nice day. Hi guys! Good afternoon. It's 1:20 na. Natapos ko lang naligo. Naglinis lang ako guys. And so ngayon, I think maganda yung temperature sa labas. 64 degree na ngayon sa labas. At saka mainit. And I think I'm going to paliguan ko lang yung si Misty. I think sa labas. And bago mag-ano tayo. And also tumawag yung kapatid ni Tami. Magpunta daw sila dito mamaya, and then labas kami daw mag-dinner. Sabi ko, ewan ko na lang, ayaw kong lumabas. Pero walang choice kasi nakapag-uuna. Ayaw ko talagang lumabas, guys. I mean, yung lumabas na mag-ano pa sa magkain-kain sa labas. Ayaw ko talaga. Lalo na sa panahon ngayon, iwan ko talaga, guys. Yung mga, ang iniisip ko, yung mga tinidor at kutsara. Yun yung iniisip ko, yung mga ginagamit na tinidor, kutsara, kahit ano nang iniisip ko. And putulan ko lang tong kuko ko kasi mataas na yung kuko. Guys, alam nyo guys, nag-diet talaga ako guys. Yung kinain ko kanina lunch, yung kaunting rice lang. And then, kaunting sabaw. So, sabi ko, after ko talagang nagtimbang talaga, sabi ko sa isip ko, patay. Grabe naman ito, eh. Ang taas ng ano ko. Pero ilang years na akong ganito. Noon, matagal na yung matagal na yung 110 ang timbang ko. Pero guys, hindi ako makapaniwala talaga guys, eh. Na umabot tayo ng 100. Ano yun? 122. Hindi ako nasayang bakit? Grabe naman. Ilang kilo ba yan? Ang problema ngayon, ang problema namin ngayon is yung bahay ni Bianan. At saka bahay na ito. Tapos na yung ng bangko palugit. Diba dahil sa COVID may mga palugit sila ng naging 1 taon nga eh. Yung palugit nila. So ngayon, diba kami may mga mortgages. Yung bahay ni Bianan, hindi pa tapos yung mortgage. So ngayon, tinatawagan kami ng, pinapadalhan kami ng sulat kung anong gagawin next. So, ngayon, sabi ko kay Tami, patawagin daw kami. Ang laking problema nito eh. Yung dahil sa walang trabaho. At saka may mga COVID pa. Ilagay natin itong mga nilabhan natin ni Tami. Sa taas. I think they pick up the garbage, Han. The neighbor picked their thing already. So, yun. Ito yung inano ni Tami. Nilabhan niya. And then, pinofold niya. Sabi pa niya, i-fold natin ito para ano, para ma-fold matapos kasi ako daw kuno hindi daw matapos-tapos itong fino-fold ko. Umano yung buhok ko guys, humayag yung parang naglalighten a little bit kasi nilagyan ko ng purple shampoo. Kaya yun. So guys, tapos na tayo nag-film. Meron lang akong pinag-usapan something and nilagay ko sa isang vlog kasi gusto kong i-add sa vlog. Anyway, so maganda yung panahon and I'm going to Misty shower. Misty, are you ready for show? Are you ready for show? Huh? My Misty, show na? Huh? Show. Aduh, show baby. Come. You're snoring, I hear ya. Hello baby. I'm going to shower, Misty.
Yeah, Misty's always good with this stuff. It's Roxy who's running to hide.
Huh?
Misty's always good with this stuff. It's Roxy who's running inside to hide.
Where is she?
Right over here. She only came back out because I came out.
Explain the water is not really cold.
I don't know. Is the water really cold?
It's warm.
Oh, because you got the hot water mixed in.
So it's not bad for her.
Yeah, it's 70 degrees out. I don't think it's a big issue. 70 degrees out. I don't think it's a big deal. Hey, good girl, Mist. Mist, you're a good girl. All right, Rox, you're next. Roxy says, yeah, dream on.
What is tomorrow? Second day also?
Yep.
So, Roxy's tomorrow. You have to move.
Mama's moving you to the sun. Bet you look like a wet rag. Worst part for her is now she can't come in.
Yeah.
All right, monkey head.
Okay, I'm gonna blow dry her.
Okay.
Huh?
Okay.
Okay, you're done. Misty, come. Misty, ay, nag-grow na na, oy. Good, you're shaking already. Finally, napaliguan na natin si Monkey. So, bukas na naman si Roxy. Yan ako lang to guys. Kunin ko lang yung mga upuan dito sa swing. Dalhin natin sa nandun sa ano. Kunin lang natin ha. Maganda na yung panahon kaya ilagay na natin yung mga cushion. May time pa na giginaw siya. Pero, yun. Ayan. Okay. Who's a good girl? Who's Mama's good girl? My Misty is a good girl. Misty. Oh. Misty, Mama's very good girl. Madumi. Kailangang labhan. Okay. I cut the kinat ko na yung sa mata din ni Misty kasi nag-cover na talaga. At ito bukas ha. You tomorrow? Tomorrow? Show. You clean? You clean na Misty? Oh, you ready to go inside? Okay, let's go inside. Let's go get the phone. Nandito yung cellphone. Okay, go inside. Let's go. Come. Clean, Misty. Clean. Misty. Oh, clean. Come, let's go inside. Good. Tignan nyo. What are you doing? Happy? Hi, happy monkey. Happy. Clean na fresh. Fresh ko. Oh, Dada's in the office with the kitten. Get down, kitten. I don't like when you're everywhere. Get down. Down. Good boy, no? Good. She's so clean. She clean, Dada?
Actually, I'm going to send her an email before I...
Why? Hi, monkey. You're clean. I love my monkey. A clean monkey. Did Andrea text you?
No, I don't think so.
Oh my God, what time are they coming here? If they wanna go dinner. I'm going upstairs. I'm gonna try to iron my hair because look, it's so freaking dry.
You have all the tax envelopes, right? All the taxes?
Why, what?
Just bring anything in Mom so I can see if there's any stocks that aren't.
Okay guys, ano ko lang tong buhok. Ang tagal ni Tami nag-shower. Oh my God, itong... Basta mag-purple shampoo. Oh my God, yun yung naanuhan ko. I mean, yung buhok ko is dry man siya guys. Sobrang dry. Pero pag mag-purple shampoo talaga, mas lalong nag-dry. As in. So, yun yung naobserbahan ko sa purple shampoo na yan. So, yun. Ang tagal nila, it's 5 something na. 5:40. So, yun, naghintay lang. Mag-dinner daw kami. Pero alam ko naman pag mag-dinner, mga simpleng restaurant lang yung pupuntahan namin. Kasi alam nyo na. Sabi ko, dinner pa talaga. Wala tayong mga trabaho. May mga trabaho sila. So, hintay-hintay tayo pag may time. For sure, mamaya pa yun talaga, gabi na. Gutom na ako, sabihin ko na, kumain na ako, kayo na lang. Ay, alam nyo naman ako. Abis nag-diet tayo, wala na tayong diet kasi nagutom. Ay, nako. Hindi ko rin siya iaayon ng sobrang as in flat na flat. Kasi ang pangit ng mukha ko kapag sobrang flat yung ano lang, simple irony. Simple lang na hindi siya yun. And then ang laki ng ng buhok ko guys, laki ng tubo, look. Ang taas pala, hindi laki. Ang taas na ng tubo ng buhok ko. So, yun siya. Yun yung na-obserbahan ko. I don't know kung kailan ako ulit magpa-retouch. Gusto ko kasi din itong color na to. I mean, okay lang naman yung color. Pero, ang pangit ng tubo kasi, siya, black yung buhok ko. And, diba? Yun. Alam niyo guys, may sasabihin ako sa inyo. Itong kapitbahay namin, di ba nag-dinner kami once? So, first tanong nila sa akin, sabi ko, Han, sabihin ko sa'yo. First tanong nila sa akin, nag-ano kami ba ni Tami, nag-usap kami, sabi ko, first tanong nila sa akin, anong trabaho ko? At anong edad ko? Pero hindi nila, yun yung ano ko kay Tami, pero hindi nila ako tinanong kung ilang taon na ako. Ang tinanong nila, anong trabaho ko? Mga tao talaga. Yun yung mga nusi. Nusi balasi. Sino ba sila? Tinanong nila ako kung ano yung trabaho ko nung lumabas si Tami kasi manigarilyo, di ba? So, yun. Yun yung tanong nila sa akin, oh, anong trabaho mo? What's your job? I said, none. I just stay home. I said, nothing. Kasi sabi ko, hindi ko talaga sinasabi nag-vlog ako, ano, vlogger sa mga, ano, yung lalo na kapag kapitbahay, ay nako, delikado. Inano ko lang, isiparate ko lang yung tax ni biyanan. Ang dami kasi guys, ang dami kasi. Okay, this is black. This is my gogo. Tommy. Ito lang yung andito sa akin. So, pag may hinahanap sila, sabihin ko, wala na. Ito lang yung nasa akin. Wala nang iba. Anyway, nakalimutan ko yung suotin ko, guys. Ano yung suotin ko, guys? Hello, babies! Hello, mga babies! Huh? So, let's go. I think my jacket is here. So, and mask is here. Tommy,
Yeah.
your cigarette is here, the gold one.
Oh, there it was. Alright, I'm gonna take a peek. There we go.
Kailangan kong mag-lipstick. Do you have your mask? Okay, it's right here. Okay. Let's go. Mga bahok-tik-tik. They're all so... Okay, let's go na. You close it, okay? When I out. Oh, you're really wearing this? Ay, nako. Huh?
Well, for that. Hold on, hold on.
Hold on, I know.
The thing we really brought with us was the garbage. You don't even bring a coat? Oh, you get your sweater back here.
Guys, we're here. Let's just... sakit. Sakit talaga ng tutoy ko, eh. Sakit my boobs. Oh, my boobs hurt, honey. So, let me text my sister-in-law, guys. Why it's the remitly? The remitly currently code, la. Your remitly security code is la. Why is that?
I have no idea what you're looking at. Remitly? I don't know what Remitly is.
I sent money, hon.
No, okay. That's what it is.
Okay, we are here. Ay, hindi na ako mag-ano, ay, coat, ay. Oh, dalhin ko lang ito, ay, just in case. Anyway, so, we are here, guys, and hindi naman din ako gutom kasi kain ako, well, kumain ako ng 3 lumpia kasi alam nyo na, it's already almost 7 o'clock. They're here?
No, I think they're putting stuff in that dumpster.
Oh.
Looks like they're taking some.
Okay, just off the bridge. Yeah, outside. So, they just off the bridge. They're almost here. So, yun. Okay, guys, I'm not bringing you inside kasi yan, kakain lang kami and then yan, enjoy. Paminsan maginaw talaga ang mundo. Okay. Malapit na sila dito. Kaya mag-jacket na tayo. Basta mga ganitong oras maginaw na. Okay, kailangan ko lang patayin. Okay. Here's your mask. Okay. Hi, guapo. Hoy, watch out your phone. Oh, cover it properly.
So you guys
Oh, they have shamrock. They have shamrock over here. Oh, is that what is that? It's a restaurant. The shamrock.
There's a liquor store right there, Shamrock Square.
Oh, is that a liquor store?
Yeah, Shamrock Wine and Liquor.
Tapos na po, guys. Hello guys! We are home. Bahay na tayo. And, yun. Kumain ako guys doon. Pero ang kinain ko lang is sobrang konti. Sabi ko, diet ako, no? Sabi ko talaga, nagda-diet ako kasi tignan nyo tong mukha ko. Ang in-order ko lang is fried calamari. Yun lang yung kinain ko kasi sabi ko talaga, hindi kaya sa power. Ang taba-taba ko na. But anyway, dito na tayo. And anyway guys, I'm going to end the vlog. Meron akong asikasuhin. Kasi yung uncle ko, diba? So, meron lang akong itawagan, i-contact. So, yun. And anyway, thank you so much guys for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys.